I gotta sneeze.
Like by just smelling it.
Oh, I'm not sure about that one.
That smells really nice. Like, I've always been a really big fan of these stuff. Are you gonna try two or?
No.
Okay, it's just see the texture. I can see it's really spicy.
I'll let you go first.
And it's quite oily as well. No, you can't have it.
Thanks. Do I have to take a whole one?
Yes. Just go for it. You're not gonna finish this?
No. Oh dear.
Okay, I'm gonna finish these and probably finish all of these later. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siki. I'm a native Mandarin Chinese speaker and a Chinese language tutor. Today we're gonna do something really fun. We're gonna try some Chinese snacks while learning Mandarin Chinese. So let's go. So now that we got all the snacks, we're gonna start tasting them. The first one, we have this. So this one really reminds me of my childhood. We call this one 小小酥.
Oh, chicken.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, chicken flavor.
I like it.
I used to eat loads of these.
Yeah.
When we talk about the flavor, so this one is 葱香鸡肉味. So basically, we call 鸡肉 chicken. Next one we have this. So it's called 旺仔小馒头. And 馒头 basically means like the bun, but like the Chinese bun, but there's no meat in it. So it's just like plain buns.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put a picture on the screen so you know what I'm saying.
Is it sweet?
No, it's not. Like it's not supposed to be sweet. It's kind of like something you eat as kind of like rice. Yeah, but if you keep chewing it, it's sweet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, these are hard.
These are really nice, actually, because these are sweet.
I'm suspicious. I can't figure out what flavor it's supposed to be.
It's just flour and sweet. I like these. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
It's kind of like savory meringue, if that makes any sense.
You think it's savory?
Yeah, it's close to it.
Really?
Mm.
I just taste sweet. I like these. Yeah, so this one is the QQ candy. So in Chinese we call candy tang or tangguo. So tang already means candy, and guo basically means fruit, but we say tangguo together to describe candies. So we are gonna try this one.
Tangguo.
Yes. So this one is also grape flavor. In Chinese we call grapes 葡萄. So this one is 葡萄味, grape flavor.
There's 4 here. Well.
Do you like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really fruity.
Mm.
And sweet. I like this.
Well.
The shape is like a grape as well. So, 葡萄.
Oh no, they're all gone.
No. Oh, okay. I should have bought at least 3.
We can go back. I've just eaten all of those.
Okay. So now we have some really interesting stuff left.
Oh.
Spicy tofu. This is basically satay made from tofu. In Chinese we call tofu doufu. So you can see that the pronunciations are really similar.
Tofu.
Yeah, because I think it's like a borrowed word in English from Chinese. So basically, doufu is tofu, and we call spicy ma la. So spicy tofu together in Chinese we say ma la doufu.
I gotta sneeze.
Like by just smelling it.
Oh, I'm not sure about that one.
That smells really nice. Like I've always been a really big fan of these stuff. Are you gonna try 2 or?
No.
Okay, it's just see the texture. I can see it's really spicy.
I'll let you go first.
And it's quite oily as well.
Mm.
No, you can't have it.
Thanks. Do I have to take a whole one?
Yes. Just go for it. You're not gonna finish this?
No. Oh dear.
Okay, I'm gonna finish these and probably finish all of these later. Mmm.
Mm?
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mm-mm.
Mmm. Mmm. These are mild.
You think that's mild?
Yes.
Wow, eh?
So the next one is 溜溜梅. So in Chinese, 梅 means berry. So it's basically a kind of berry and it's sweet. So, oh, it's packed separately. I like this.
Yeah.
I think you will like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it should be quite sour though. But it's sweet, definitely.
Oh, ah.
So next one, we have the really famous sausage. Like this one, I used to eat it a lot when I was small. So you want to try this? But I personally think it's just like less meat and more flour. But I like the version with more flour.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try because I basically forgot like how it tastes like.
I'll let
what
you go
what
first.
it tastes like. Okay.
Yeah, you can go first.
These are not bad.
Yeah.
The flavor is so like familiar. It's
yeah.
like salty
Nostalgia.
and pork.
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so in Mandarin Chinese, we call it sausage 火腿肠, especially these ones. So the next one, we have this fancy version of spicy tofu. So let's try it.
I think we just have... Oh,
Are you scared of it?
a little bit.
But it looks nice. It looks like they're really fresh tofu. I mean, it's probably not fresh, but like it kind of looks like it's made from the fresh tofu. And compared to that one, so I'm gonna try it. Do you want to try it first?
No, I'll let you go.
You're really nice. That's so nice.
I'll take a nibble. I won't open another one. I'll take a nibble of this one.
It's definitely like so much better than the last one.
Is it?
Yeah. The texture is really chewy. And it's also mild. I don't know why these just spicy tofu are so mild.
Mild tofu. That's better.
Yeah?
I prefer that one. I'm still not a massive tofu fan.
Okay.
But that's okay.
Okay. I'm gonna eat this.
If I was really hungry, I would eat that.
Do you want more?
That's okay. I'm still I'm still enjoying these.
The next one, we have the ultimate 辣条. This is probably like the most famous Chinese snack. This is like super spicy, and I personally tasted before. Like I just really hated it.
Super spicy.
Yeah, and it tastes really weird. It has a really flavor. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this one. Oh, it looks kind of disgusting. But I know lots of people love it.
Really?
So, yeah. But, I mean, it might taste good. Like, it might just, you know... It might just be the one I tasted years ago was not good. But this might be good. That's why people are so crazy about it. So, I'm gonna try this. This is actually not bad.
You seem very surprised.
No, look. I thought it would taste really bad. But it doesn't. Like, it basically just flour. It's a bit sweet. And it's salty. And it's spicy.
Okay.
You wanna get one?
I'll take a bite of yours. I won't waste the whole one.
No, you're not wasting it. Just eat it.
That's a strange.
Just eat it. You can do it. It's really not bad.
It's just like chewy bread with flavoring on it, right?
Yes. But it's very oily.
Oh, you get the beef aftertaste. It's like spicy to start with.
Yeah.
And then you get an aftertaste of beef. That's what I'm getting anyway. That's okay. Yeah.
So we found this one more snack. It's not really a Chinese snack, but we found it in the Chinese supermarket.
Oh, the chocolate.
Yes. So so in Mandarin Chinese, we call chocolate 巧克力. So this is a word in Mandarin Chinese that's borrowed from English. That's why the pronunciations sound really similar. So 巧克力 chocolate. And in Mandarin Chinese, we call biscuit 饼干. So 饼 means bread and 干 means dry. So dry bread is biscuit 饼干. And I'm gonna taste this.
I already ate mine.
Okay.
But I will have a taste. I'll show you a magic trick. Oh, well.
It's good, but it's really dry. That's why it's called bread dry. 饼干. So that's today's video, tasting Chinese snacks while learning Mandarin Chinese. I will put the words we went through in this video in the description, so you can download the notes if you need to review them. And so if you do think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe. You can also turn on the notification bell, so every time when I upload a new video, you get to learn Mandarin Chinese for free. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.